2 Z950. Clutch engages right there. Right there. We're moving. We're moving. Right there. Yep. Smooth. Smooth, baby. Wow. High range pull. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. She pulls good. Let's do a low range pull. They're in low gear. Ready? Wow. Heck yeah. You ready to take it? He's ready. He's ready. I'm gonna go spin her around in the yard. Dude, it gets up and scoots. It sure does get up and scoot. Nice and smooth. Yes, very smooth. It was pretty smooth before, but it's... Oh yeah, she just moves. Wow. It was pretty smooth before, to be honest. But it's not R.N.G. clutch kit smooth. Not stock, no. It's way smoother now. But it was pretty smooth before. Yeah, he's got the primary kit, the SRM3 Helix, clock to B2 with stock secondary spring. Let's see. She's hauling. Wow. It definitely... It's so smooth. Oh my God. It's so smooth.
I've never had one this smooth.
No.
Never.
No, because CF Moto didn't change the spring or weights. It's got the same spring and weights as my XL did, as the 950 did. But it was smooth before. Yeah. Now, it's even smoother than that, which it was pretty good before. I will give them that.
The jack stick was working? We never checked them.
Let's see. Yeah, we got to check them. Yes, working. Yes, it's working. We did turn signals, which is super easy to do, guys. All we did was add a relay, a switch, ran wires to go back there to those lights. Super easy. We did the light bar. He put the light bar on. We wired it up. And then he's got that famous CF Moto stereo that everybody likes.
Yep.
Yep. Hell yeah. Huh. It's smooth and it puts the power down pretty good.
Better get your wife's approval on this one.
No shit. No shit. You want me to have her drive it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get her.
Feel how smooth that clutch is.
Feel how smooth that is. I haven't felt one that smooth. It was smooth before.
Once you get in there.
It really, yeah.
Just the initial getting in right here.
I don't feel like there's much more room in that than there is in mine. Yeah. It feels the same to me.
These seats are nice.
The seats are nice.
Really nice.
Very nice. She won't go crazy like we do.
Yeah.
And high?
Yep.
Whatever you want.
Whatever you want. Just take off slow. Feel that clutch.
Feel the clutch.
That's crazy.
That's nuts. They got that throttle pedal dialed in that ECU.
Yeah.
And then paired with that kit, it's butter smooth. Yeah, me too. I might have to go get one now. Damn you. I might have to trade in my Overland. I'm really not liking that thing much.
Yeah.
No. It's fun to drive. It's just too hot.
Yeah.
That thing is nuts, though. It seems like it turns pretty good, too.
Yeah. It's got a sharper turning radius than my other one.
Than the other one, yeah. Let's see what she thinks about it. Go in the yard. There's a car. Yeah. We'll be up at Procore tonight.
That's crazy.
Now, you know how smooth my kits are.
Do you want me to leave it running?
Yeah, you can shut it off. You know how smooth my kits are. And they make the other units smooth.
Yeah.
But it is the smoothest.
Yes. It's like a Cadillac.
Yeah. But before that, before the kit,
Yeah.
it was pretty, not
Really?
bad from factory. No. But you can tell the difference because it did, you know, launch in with the factory. Now it's just right in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
We're going to Procore tonight.
Yeah, let's go get it.
I knew it. I knew it. We taking the Overland to get a trade-in value?
Yeah, let's go.
Might have to.
We should.
You'd be happy with it.
Yeah, I think we would be happy with that. That thing is nice.
This thing is really nice. I like that.
Thing of it is, I'll lose money on the damn Overland.
It'd be worth it.
Since I own it, it should be worth more, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking, like
Only had
12
2
grand.
weeks.
Only had it 2 weeks, paid 11 for
That
it.
thing is nice.
They give me 12 for it, you know. It is nice. Now I'm going to go get one. It's already Laura approved. That'll be your buggy because I have mine.
And then we can take that whenever we take our family.
Yeah.
Because it's nice and we have the boys that can just hop on with
Yep.
us. But this would, oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, you can still take the boys with these.
Well, yeah,
Put one
true.
in with you and the other one with him.
Yeah,
That's true. It's what we used to do.
I like
And
this.
these will fit on the trailer a lot better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah,
Yeah, I got the XL, which I do like that XL. I really do.
I do.
Yeah.
But
I like it too. That's
yeah.
a good ride.
yeah,
is.
it
It does really good in the trails too. It's
yeah,
not too bad.
yeah, it's not too bad. I would rather have that than the stupid Overland I got. I'm not really thrilled with.
Can we do that?
We just might. Call Procore, see what they'll give me for my 2-week-old.
What other colors do they have in that?
Orange and black.
We can wrap.
Orange, black, and gray. That's all they got.
That gray.
Tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, CF Moto did a fine job on this. Not only was it super easy to work on, so much room to do anything you need to do. It's really, really user-friendly when it comes to turning a wrench. It's awesome. Definitely check out the clutch kit for this on my website, www.rngperformance.net. There we go. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.
Too bad, but I'll tell you what, it's
That's
night
like
and
a
day.
Cadillac.